First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to see the day 40 daily score booster questions. First, we are going to deal with the simplifications. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Let's start with the questions. First question, 16.66 percentage. The fraction value of this one must be, it is 1 by 6 into 534. So 6 uh, 8 times is 48, 54 means 9 times, so we get 89 from this one, plus 14.28 percentage. The fraction value for this one is 1 by 7 into 672. 7 9 times is 63, 42 means 7 6 times, so for this we get 96, plus 15 8 times is 120, 15 2 times is 30 and 12 420. Okay, minus 14 into 16 will be 224. This is why we need to know 20 into 20 tables in hand. Okay, so finally we have 9 plus 6, 15. 15 minus 4 will be 11. So 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 2, 18 plus 2, 20. 20 minus 2, 18. So we'll have to with 581. 581 minus 5 minus 2, which will be 3. 381 is our answer. Option B is our answer. Next one. It is clear that 30 plus 1 minus 30 minus 1. This is looks like 30 plus 1 into 30 minus 1. So this looks like a plus b into a minus b. So the formula for that one will be a square minus b square. A square means 30 square, which is 900, minus 1. So we get 899. Plus this looks like 20 plus 3 and 20 minus 3. So we'll do same. 20 square 400 minus 3 square minus 9. So we get 391, plus 15 5 times is 75, 15 4 times is 60, 67, 675. Okay, 19 1 times is 19, 19 3 times is 57 and 58. So we get 589 here. So totally we have 899, 391 plus 675 minus 589. 9 and 9 cancels. We left with 6. We need to eliminate 8. If we eliminate 8, we left with 10 plus 7, 17. Okay. If we eliminate 5, we left with 1 and 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 8, 13, 1376 is our answer. Option D is our answer. Next, 6.66 percentage. The fraction value of this one is 2/3 of 294. 3 9 times is 27, 3 8 times is 24. This will be 16, 18, 19, 196, plus 25% is nothing but 1/4 of 1760. This is 4 times and 4 times 0 times, so we get 440 here, plus 24% of 420, which means 24 divided by 100 into 420 means 0 0 cancel. 24 2 times is 48, 24 4 times is 96 and 4 108. So we get 1008 divided by 10 means we get 100.8 from this one. Okay, plus 20% of 504. 10% value is 504, so 20% value means into 2. We get 800, 100.8. So totally we have 196 plus 440 plus 100.8 plus 100.8. So what we left is 16. This will be 7, 9 plus 4, 13, 5 6 7 8, 8376, 837.6. So answer will be option A. Next, fourth question. Cube root of 1331, which is 11 cube, plus cube root of 1728. The value for this one is 12, plus square root of 9216. I know this value as 96. How I find this one is unit digit is 6. So the unit digit must be either 4 or 6. Leaving 2 digits, we have 92. The nearest square for 92 is 9 square, which is 81. If we take 10 square, it is greater than this one. So the squares must be 94 or 96. I know 95 square. 95 square is 5 square will be 25 at the end. 9 plus 1 will be 10. 9 10 times is 90. So 95 square value is 9025. Here we have 9216, which is greater than this one. So greater than 95 square is this one. So our answer will be 96. So I am familiar with this number. So I can easily write this number. This is why we need to practice daily to get familiar with the numbers. Here we'll do 1 means either 1 or 9. Okay, leaving 2 digits, we have 79. Nearest square is 8 square 64. 9 square will be 81, greater than 79. So we'll take 8. I know 85 square, which will be 25 at the end. 8 plus 1, 9. 8 9 times is 72. So 7225 is 85 square. This number is greater than this one. So greater than 85 square. So our answer will be 89 for this one. 89 square is this one, equals to 20x plus 8. So what we have is 11 plus 12 plus 96 plus 89 and minus 8 whole equals to 20x. So here leaving a subtracting 8, we get only 1. 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 3 10. Now we left with 10 10 20 200. So 200 is equals to 20x. So answer x value is 10. 20 10 times. So option A is our answer. Next, fifth question. 13 17 times is 221. This is why we need to know 20 into 20 tables. 9 to 25 0 plus this will be the difference between these two numbers is even number 11 22, even number 22. So I'll divide this with the 2, we get 11. So adding this 11 to 23, we get 34 minus 11. This is nothing but 34 minus 11 into this is 34 plus 11. Okay, now 34 square value is 34 square value is 1196. 1196 minus 11 square 121, we get to 5 7. Wait a second, 34 square value is 1156. So we get this is 3. So this is 1035. So value for this one is 1035, or else we can calculate this as 45 2 times is 900 plus 45 3 times will be 135. So we can have 1035. So we have either two methods we can calculate this number faster. I prefer this one is the best one to calculate this one. Okay, minus 16 8 times. Wait a second, I can write this as 16 into 16 into 3. So 16 times is 256 into 3. 6 3 times is 18. 6 5 3 times is 15. 16 6 7 768 for this one. So totally we have 221 plus 2250 plus 1035 minus 768. This is the answer we need to find. Here we have 6. This will be 10 5 3 minus 768. So we get 8 at the end, 3 7 and 2. So answer will be 2738. Option B is our answer. Next one, we are going to see quadratic equations. First one, here 210. 210 means 14. 15 times is 210, and we got 29. Minus and plus means the roots are in plus. here 168. I know the 14 12 times is 168. This is why we need to know 20 into 20 tables must be by hearted. Okay, minus and plus means the roots are in positive. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than or equals to y. Okay, next second question. 117, it is 13 9 times. Plus and plus means the roots are in negative. 117, this is also 13 9 times. Minus and plus means the roots are positive and negative. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than or equals to y. Okay, this much fast we need to compare. Okay, let's see this one. Here I can clearly see that the end is ending with a minus, so there is no relation can be established in between these two equations, because I have minus and minus means the roots are in positive and negative. Here minus and minus means the roots are in positive and negative. Now comparing these two, we get x greater than y and x lesser than y, so there is no relation can be established between these two equations. Let's see fourth one. 98, this will be 14. 7 times is 98. Minus and plus means the roots are in positive and positive. 252, 252 I see somewhere. 14 18 times is 252. Okay, minus and plus, so plus and plus are the roots. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than or equals to y. Okay, next, here 120, 120 means 15 8 times is 120. Plus and plus means minus and minus. Here 78, 78 how can be 13 6 times is 78. Minus and plus mean minus and minus means plus and minus. So by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than y. Okay, now we are going to see wrong number series. Wrong number series, first question. Here the difference between these two is plus 4. Here the difference is minus 9. Here the difference is plus 16. Here the difference must be minus 25. 146 minus 25 is not a triple one. 121. 121 minus plus 36 will be 157. So our wrong number is triple one. Next question. Here we are going to see the differences. Here the difference is 18. Here the difference is 36. So these are the double. 18 double is 2 36. Next, here the number is 72. It is double. Next one must be, here the difference is 6 4 and 1. Here the difference is 6 8 and 2. So double of 72 will be 144, not 146. 144 double will be 288, not 286. So our wrong number is in between them, 285. Next, third question. Here it is clear that this is into half times will be 37. 37 plus 1. Here it is into 1 plus 2. Here it is 1.5 times will be 60 plus 4. Here it is into 2 will be 128 plus 2. Here it will be into 2.5 times will be 325. 325 plus 5 will be 330. So into half plus 1 into 1 plus 2, and it must be half. 1.5 plus 3 into 2 plus 4 into 0.5 plus 5. So the wrong number must be in between them, which is 64. Next we are going to see fourth question. Here it is clear that first we are going to do half. Half we get 6.5 minus 0.5. Next, in this case we will do into 1 minus 1. In this case into 1.5 we get 7.5 minus 1.5 we get 6. Next, into 2 we get 12. 12 minus 2 we need to do 12 minus 2, which is 10. Next one must be into 2.5. So 20 and 5. 25. 25 minus 2.5, we get 22.5. So our wrong number is 12. Next, fifth question. Here it is clear that it is into 10 times. This is 4 becomes 2 times, means into 8 times. This is into 6 times, into 4 times. So this must be into 2 times, but this is not. So the value of this one must be 0.5. 0.5 into 2 will be 1. So our wrong number is 0.4. Now we are going to see missing number series. Here first we are going to see the differences. Here the difference is 17. Here the difference is 34. Here the difference is 51. These are 17 factors. The next 17 factor is 68. 122 plus 68 will be 190. 190 and this will be 85. We get 275. So answer will be 190. Option D is our answer. Next, second question. Here it is clear that into 3 plus 3, into 2 plus 2, into 1 plus 1. So it must be into 4 plus 4. 3 times is 12 and into 11 means sum of these two. We get 3. 132 plus 4, 136. So 136 is our answer. Option B. Next we are going to see question number 3. Here these numbers are slightly varying, so we'll go with the differences. 17, 21, 25, gap of 4 in each number. Next one must be 29. Yes, next one must be plus 4, which will be 33. 113 plus 33 will be 146. So answer will be 146. Option B. Fourth one. Here we are going to see the differences. Here the difference is 1. Here the difference is 4. Here the difference is 9. So the next one difference must be 16, which will be 38. The next one must be 25. We get 63. So answer will be 38. Option A is our answer. Next question. Here in this case it is clear that this is into 1.5 times 28. 1 times is 28.5 times means 14. We get 42. These numbers are familiar to me, so I can easily find that it is into 1.5 times. Next one, it is into 2 times. This is into 2.5 times. 84. 2 times will be 168. 168 and half of this one will be 42. So we get 210. So this is fine. So this must be into 1 and this must be into 0.5. 0.5 means half of 56. So half of 56, which is 28. 28 into 1 times is 28. So our answer will be 28. Option A is our answer. Now we are going to see inequalities. Inequalities. The method we are using to find inequalities is the flow method. If we see a symbol like this, we always says that the flow from this side to this side. If we see a symbol like this, I always says the flow from this side to this side. Let's see with the questions. First question, first conclusion. The flow from Q to V. From Q there is no flow. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from Y to V. From Y there is no flow. So second conclusion is also false. Let's see second question. The flow from F to J. From F we can reach to G, H, I. From I we can reach to J. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from J to M. From J we can reach to K but not to M. So second conclusion is false. Next we are going to see question number 3. The flow from S to T. From S we can reach to P and Q. From Q we can reach to T. But everywhere there is equal to also in our question. So individually these two statements will false. But combining these two we get a flow from S to T with equal to by combining these two. and we have the same flow in our question also. So these two are false and we got the same flow. While combining these two equations, the answer will be either 1 or 2 is the answer for this question. Okay, next, fourth question. The flow from T to I with everywhere equals to. From T there is no flow, so first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from P to T. From P we can reach to V. From V we can reach to T. So second conclusion is true. Last question. The flow from Z to L with everywhere equals to. From Z we can reach to. From Z we can reach to N M. From M we can reach to L. So it is possible and there is everywhere equal to also. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from S to P. From S we can reach to I and L but not to M and but not to P. So second conclusion will be false. Now we are going to see syllogisms. Syllogisms, first question. This is syllogisms, first question. Some Lakme are channel. Some Lakme are channel. No channel is Mayabin. Mayabelli. Maybe anything. Some Mayabelli are Laurel. Let's see conclusions. Some Laurel are channel. This is Laurel and this is channel. Uh, Talking about a direct conclusion of some. There is no relation between these two. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, some Mayabelli are channel. Mayabenil and channel. There is no sharing of some part. So second conclusion will be false. Third conclusion, some L'Oreal being channel is a possibility. It is talking about possibility. We can share some part of L'Oreal with the channel. So third conclusion is possible. Fourth conclusion, no Lakme is mayable. This is Lakme. We need to check some Lakme can be mayable or not. Some part of Lakme can share with mayable. Yes, we can share some part in possible diagram. So some case is possible means no case will be false. Next, fifth one, all mayable are Lakme. It is direct conclusion. We need to check all mayable are inside Lakme or not. All mayable is inside Lakme. No. So fifth conclusion will be false. Now we are going to see question number 2. All D are E. All D are E. No E is R. All R F are F. Okay. Let's see conclusions. All R being D is possible. Possibility or not. All R can place inside D. It is not possible. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, all F are E. So all F are inside E. It is a direct conclusion and there is no direct relation between E and F. So second conclusion will be false. Third conclusion, no D is F. We check some D can be F or not. Some D can share with F. It is not possible. So some case fails means no case will be true. Fourth one, some F can be E. Some part of F can share with E. Yes, it is possible. Wait a second. No, third one, no D is F. Can some part of D can share with F? Some part of D can share with F. It is possible. D does not be sharing with R, but we can share some part of D with F. So some case is possible means no case. Option C fails. So third conclusion is false. Okay. Fourth conclusion we have completed. Fifth conclusion, all F being D is a possibility. All F can place inside D. It is not possible because of no symbol between E and R. So fifth conclusion will be false. Fifth conclusion is false. Next we are going to see third question. No, pizza is momo. Only pizza is pasta. So pasta is inside pizza and doesn't share with anything except pizza. No, momo is dosa. Now we are going to see conclusions. All pasta can be momo. All pasta momo. Pasta doesn't share with anything except pizza. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, some pizza being dosa is a possibility. Uh, some part of pizza can share with the dosa. It is possible. So second conclusion is true. Third conclusion, some momo or pasta. Momo and pasta doesn't share. So third conclusion will be false. Fourth question, fourth conclusion. Some dosa can be pasta. Pasta doesn't share with anything except pizza. So this case fails. Fifth one. Some pizza being momo is a possibility. Some part of a pizza can share with the momo. No, it is not possible because of no symbol between pasta and pizza and momo. So fifth conclusion will be false. Now we are going to see question number 4. Some ice is water. Some ice is water. No, water is liquid. All gas is ice. So gas is inside ice. Let's see conclusions. Some gas are not liquid. We check all gas can be liquid because of not. All gas can be placed inside a liquid. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. All case possible means some not case will be fails. First one is false. Second conclusion. Some liquid or ice. Here it is liquid and here it is ice. There is no relation of some. So second conclusion is false. Third conclusion. Some ice is not liquid. Here not. We see not here means we check some ice can be liquid or not. Some ice can be liquid. Some part of ice can share with liquid or not. Yes, so we can share some part of ice with liquid. So some nut case will fails. Fourth one. Some water is a glass. Some water is sharing with glass. No, there is no direct relation between glass and water here. So this is false. All gas is liquid. All gas is inside liquid. No. So fifth conclusion is also false. Here in this case we see some liquid or ice and some ice is not liquid. Even though it is positive statement and negative statement and having a same words, but the suffixes and prefixes are not same. So these are neither nor only. Okay, I'm telling about these two are neither nor. But we have all gas is liquid. It is a positive statement. Some gases are not liquid. It is a negative statement. And gases, liquids, suffixes and prefixes are same. So A and E. The answer for this question is either A or E follows. This is the answer for this question. Now let's see fifth question. All high or low. All high or low. Only a few low or mid. No, mid is more. Now conclusions are some more are not low. We check all more can be low. All more can be placed inside low. Yes, it is possible. So some not case will fails. Some more being high is a possibility. Some part of more can share with the high. It is possible. So second conclusion is true. Third one. Some mid being more is a possibility. Some part of mid can share with the more. No, it is not possible. So third conclusion is false. Some high are mid. Some part of high are sharing with the mid. It is not sharing. So fourth conclusion is false. Fifth conclusion. All low are more. All low is inside more. All low is inside more. No, it is not. So Fifth conclusion is false. Now we are going to see a reasoning puzzle. Now we are going to see a sitting arrangement puzzle. 12 people are sitting around a hexagonal table such that 6 people are sitting at the corners whereas 6 people are sitting in the middle of the sides. So a hexagonal table means like this. This is a hexagonal shape and one person sits at the corners and one person sits at the middle of the sides. So these are 12 people. Now we need to see these all are facing insides and we are noting all the rough statements here. Let's see the statements. Px, P and Z are immediate neighbors. P and Z are immediate neighbors. P sits opposite to W. P sits opposite to W. W who sits third to the left of U. W third to the left of U. As many people sit between V and O. V and O as between O and T. So as between O and T. Next one, R sits immediate to the right of T. Immediate right of T is R. Next one, N is not an immediate neighbor of U. N and U are not immediate neighbors. Okay. Two people sit between Q and S. Q and S, there is two people sitting in between them. S who sits at an corner. S sits at a corner. Next one is Z sits second to the right of S. Second to the right of S is Z. One person sits between U and V. U and V, there is only one person sitting in between them. Okay. By this we have completed the rough statements. Now using these rough statements we need to find our solution. First we are going to start with P. P and W are opposite. So if we place P here, this is the place for W. Okay. This is P and this is W. Now if we got P, we can place Z. So P and Z are immediate persons. We can take Z here or else we take another possibility in inside P here and Z here. Okay. If we have Z, Z is second to the right of S. So this is the place for S. In case of inside, if we place Z here, then the place of S is here. Second to the right of S is Z. Okay. We have completed this one, and this one. Three statements completed. Next, we got S. So we got S means we can get Q. If we have S here, 1 2, we can place Q here or else 1 2 Q here. In this case, inside one we can place 1 2 Q, we cannot place here. 1 2 Q, we cannot place here. So we are just getting a sequence of this case sequence fails. So we are getting the same sequence. We can place Q here or 1 2 third one. This is the place for Q, might be this one. So we have now we have two possibilities again. Okay, this one is also completed. We have a statement of U third to the left is W. So W place is this 1 2, third place is this one which is U. U third to the left is W. In this case, in inside also 1 2 third, this is the place for U. So we got this one also. We got U means we can get V from this one. So 1 after V, this is the place for the V for one case or else wait a second, this is a place for S. We cannot place a V here, so this is the only place for V. In this case also we can place only V here. Okay, so this one is also completed. Now we left with the VOT, T and R. This is a V place. If we place a O here, there is one person in between them, V and O. There must be one person between O and T. So this is a place for T. T immediate right person is R. So this is the immediate right person R. Okay. In this case, we will take the same O here, T here, R here. Okay. So this one is also completed. This also completed. Only we left with N and U does not be adjacent. Here in outside puzzle, N and U does not be adjacent means we cannot place N here. So is there any place left in outside to place N? No. So outside possibility fails. N cannot be placed immediate to U. So there is no place for N here. If we see, here is a place for N. So this is the place for N. And what we left is only M. So inside possibility we got the right one. So what we get, the answer is P Z S M. This one is U Q V W O R T and N. Okay, this is the solution we got. Now let's see the questions that are asked. First question, who among the following persons sits immediate left of T? Immediate left of T is, wait a second, T is here, it is place for N. T is N. So here the option A is our answer. First one is A. Next, how many people sit between Q and P? Here it is Q, here it is P. 1, 2, 3. 3 people sitting between them. Option C is our answer. When counted to the right of Q. Okay, 3 people sitting between them. Answer will be option C. Third question. If all the people are arranged in alphabetical order from M in clockwise direction. From M in clockwise direction means this direction. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W and Z. So excluding M, how many people remains unchanged? There is only T is remains unchanged. So answer will be only one. Option C is our answer. Next one, fourth question. 4 of the 5 are alike. So we need to find the odd one out. Q and V. Q and V are immediate to each other. Q and Z are not immediate. R and T are immediate. N and Z. This is N and Z. These are also immediate persons. M and U. Where is M? This is M and this is U. These are also immediate persons. So Q and Z is the answer. Option B is our answer. Next, fifth question. If Mx is related to V, M here, V is here. Okay. O is related to N. O third to the left. Okay. Then which among the following is related to Qx? Related to Qx. Qx means 1 2 S. S, third to the left is Q. So answer will be option B, S. Okay. By this we have completed today's daily score booster questions. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Thanks for watching.